Hello, hello, welcome to Womble's Hive. Spring is officially here, and as you do, I was having a little spring clean in the art box and discovered a random Scrawlrbox that I've never opened. So if you go on Scrawlrbox, you can buy previous boxes, and that's what I used to do. I used to buy previous boxes. So this is a little bit more like having a subscription because this box is from July 2021. And for the life of me, I can't remember what's in it. So it's literally like buying the subscription. So let's pop this baby open and find out what I picked way back when. I'll just tear it away from screen because it can be a bit loud. There we go. Ripped it. So here we go. Exciting times. Ooh. Well, that's some pretty zine front cover already, isn't it? Let's get this guy out. Pop that to one side. Right, so we have the Scroll zine, and just to prove, it's definitely July 21. But look at these colours, guys. I mean, that tells you why I've chosen this. Those are the best colour combinations ever. And obviously we get a print, and that is definitely going in my prints book because that is gorgeous. The artist is Jess Kirkman. Jess Kirkman is an award-winning artist and designer who specialises in alcohol inks, resin and encaustic mediums, using them to create abstract universes and feel-good art. After graduating with a BFA in communication design from Syracuse University, sorry anybody who lives there, Jess worked with top names across branding, publishing and advertising industries before making her way to lead the team at Taco Bell Design as their executive creative director. Jess balances her career with her passion for art, painting for hours every morning before her 9-to-5 starts. Her main goal is to spread creative learning, insight and inspiration to her Instagram art community. Every piece she makes is infused with good vibes that she hopes will make the world a better place, little by little. And if you want to follow her, there are her links. And we'll pop that to one side. So apparently we have a Yupo pad. I don't know what a Yupo pad is. Let's crack it open and see if we can tell what a Yupo pad is, because I have never heard of that before. I really need to clean this knife. So yeah, Yupo pad, 10 sheets, 100 GSM. That's a strange thing. Put that over there for the recycling. Oh, it's like super shiny. Look, can you even see how shiny that is? So it's really shiny feeling. Oops, pulling the pages out. Let's not pull the pages out yet, Bee. So we'll pop that to one side and we'll crack this baby open. So here's the sticker just to prove I have never opened this box. That's so crazy. What's likelihood this sweet is still in date? So there's our sticker with the gorgeous artwork on it. Scrawlrbox Challenge, which is probably over, but it was Nebula, a glowing form of clouds made up of interstellar gas and dust. It also describes what we've got in here, so we'll leave that to one side for the minute. In fact, no, let's have it out so that we can see what these things are whilst we're talking about it. So here is a bubblegum flavoured vegan drumstick. Do we dare look what the... Ooh, it ran out 31st of July 2022. Will we die if we eat it? Who knows? We have a pipette. We have a paper straw. We have a Pro Art #1 paintbrush. So you can see there, that's a really small one. And then we've got, what is this one? Alcohol ink. I can't find, oh I see. Diamond Sparkle. I'm hoping these guys are still like usable. Diamond, what is that one? Diamond Sparkle, this one. Magenta. Caribbean. Oh, I think it's just Caribbean. And Extender Dilutant. So I think the shiny one is going to need a really good shake, because I can see some fairly solid bits in the bottom there, but I will do that off camera because nobody wants to hear that happening. So let's pull this out and rip it in the process. There we go. So we have 2 full-blown alcohol inks in the greatest colours ever, Caribbean and Magenta. We have what I assume is a sparkly, shiny alcohol ink. And this is Extender, which I imagine makes it all go that little bit further. Then we've got Masterstroke Pro Art brush, paper straw, a pipette, our Yupo pad, the beautiful print, and the Scrawlzine with sticker. So let's pop these to one side. We'll have a little look through here. I don't like to look before we open the stuff, because this happens on the first page. So it tells you all about it. Feel free to have a little pause of the video if you want to read that. Sit down with the featured artist, and this is Jess Kirkman. Oh, look at that! It looks like a Cthulhu octopus. Some tips and tricks for this alcohol ink. The beautiful artwork made by everybody from the previous month back in May 21. Out of this world. So this is the Nebula art challenge. It's advising you about some price changes that are coming, so that's already happened, guys, don't get overexcited. And then more of the artwork on the back. So that is July 2021. Does anybody else do that? Buy things and then forgot the bottom. So these are what we got in July 2021. Scrawlrbox. Has anybody had this box? Has anybody used it? Does anybody know what these things are like? Can anybody advise if these are still going to be in date and usable? We'll soon find out either way. I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know down below if you've ever had this kind of moment where you find art materials that you bought and totally forgot about. Let me know if you've used these items. I'll see you in the next one, where hopefully I've had time to have a little study of how to use these things and maybe have a go. If not the next one, it will be soon. Keep your eye out, everybody. I hope you all have a lovely day. I hope it's a great week for you. Find something, whatever you're doing, that makes you smile. If it's not this video and my forgetfulness, good on you. And as always, guys, be happy.